Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for being with us. Is spicy food harmful or beneficial? Does it prolong our lives? If you cannot imagine your diet without hot peppers or spicy dishes, you are already a potential long liver, I can tell you that. The beneficial properties of spices have been known for a long time. However, scientists have now discovered a link between the amount of spicy food consumed and the risk of certain diseases. Capsaicin is a substance found in peppers. Incidentally, it is capsaicin that gives peppers their heat, but it also increases the production of endorphins, the hormones responsible for feelings of happiness.
Capsaicin affects the human body, causing a burning sensation.
It affects receptors on the tongue and throughout the gastrointestinal tract. The brain perceives this situation as if there has been an increase in temperature, which causes a sensation of pain and heat. Some other effects of capsaicin on the human body. Warming effect. Capsaicin causes thermogenesis, i.e., the conversion of energy into heat.
Improves mood.
Capsaicin stimulates receptors that promote the secretion of happiness hormones, endorphins, and serotonin. This helps reduce stress and anxiety and improves overall mood. Antiseptic effect. Capsaicin fights harmful bacteria that can enter the body, for example, along with food, and speeds up metabolism. Capsaicin increases thermogenesis, burning up to 50 kilocalories per day. However, it has limitations. For example, it can exacerbate gastroesophageal reflux disease and, in high doses, irritate the intestinal mucosa. Studies on mice have shown that capsaicin can destroy the neurons responsible for heat perception. There is also a category of people for whom spicy foods, including those containing capsaicin, may be contraindicated. These are patients with gastritis, stomach ulcers in the acute stage, pancreatitis, as well as those with chronic liver disease. Some people may also have an individual intolerance to certain spicy foods or their components. Consuming spicy foods can also cause allergies, allergic reactions, or symptoms resembling them. In addition, studies have shown that capsaicin kills cancer cells. It inhibits organic compounds in the mitochondria that act as fuel tanks, so to speak. In fact, capsaicin deprives these cancer cells of energy. But healthy cells are not affected. That and #X27, S all for today.
Stay tuned.
Subscribe to our channel. And most importantly, take care of yourself.